Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, TeaTimeSyuleTime. As you can see in the video above, I am unboxing something fun from Longchamp. Longchamp is a luxury brand from Paris, and today's box I was inspired to order from seeing a video of Mel in Melbourne, shout out to Min, that her daughter had in one of her Instagram posts. This is the Le Pliage Cuir, C-U-I-R. I probably really butchered that. The leather bag in the mini size. This is the gray color. And from the first impressions, you can see that it is pretty small. It holds a lot more than you think it does though. So now we're just taking a quick look at the bag. There is a nice strap that does come inside of the bag, and I do want to mention that this leather is some of the softest leather. I believe it's made of calf skin. The front flap that you see with the Longchamp symbol is very sturdy. It does have, I would say, kind of a gunmetal color or very aged silver. Now the strap, I'm not really planning to use that much. I plan to use this as a top handle bag. But it does come down to about the hip length. By putting my phone in, I have a larger iPhone, the 11. You can see that the bag does extend quite a bit. It does have a nice zipper pocket there. So once again, sorry for the quick clips here. I'm just trying to do this before I go to work, but you can see that the stitching is very well done on the side here. Here's the back. Again, this is very, very soft, and you can put a lot of items in here. I'm not worried too much about the scratching because the Le Pliage line from Longchamp is pretty durable. But I wouldn't necessarily fold this bag just because with it being leather instead of a nylon or canvas, you don't want to damage the leather. Now here's a little bit of a closer look at some of the hardware I mentioned earlier. Now this part is a different type of leather. It feels more like a calf, like a very solid calf skin. But I really like the look of this here. It does come with a very nice dust bag here. It does say Longchamp. This particular bag, I'm going to put this back in here, came with a very nice box as well. Something you would expect from a luxury house. And it does have a little magnetic closure down here, which I really appreciate. Longchamp again. The box is fairly large, so it would be just perfect for storage. Now with this bag as well, I did show you a clip putting my phone inside, but you really can use this bag for pretty much everything. Dress it up, dress it down. I will plan to do a wear and tear video and another what fits in this bag video in the future. But for now, if you like videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along for future content. I do want to mention the price point on this bag is fairly good for a quote luxury bag. It does retail for about $380 US, but you can find this bag on sale from some retailers. You just might not be able to find the color that you're looking for. Until next time, guys.